Happy Friday. Guess what I'm working on today? So today I have to do some alteration on this pants. I had done some before, but when the customer tried it on, he needed more patch. So I'm gonna show you. So at first I thought the customer would be okay with just adding this small patch because it was too low and it was going to kind of extend to this bottom hole. So I added just the top and then left the upper bigger hole open just because I thought maybe customer didn't want me to patch the entire thing. So anyway, now I have to do it, and since it's a bigger patch and I had some hard time to get to this area because the leg was closed, so this time what I'm going to do, I have to determine which seam it's easier to unsew and then sew back. So for sure this is the caballo inseam and this is so difficult to do, and I might not be able to stitch where the original stitch is, so it's going to look off and it's going to show some darker areas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the side seam, and then with the side seam open I can maneuver and handle this better. So in this case, the stitch, it's a chain stitch, so I just need to pull out one or two steps on the top, and then the chain stitch will automatically come off. So as I mentioned, the chain stitch came off so quick. So now the side seam it's open and I'm going to work and add the patch. And here's the piece of fabric that I prepared to add in this area. So I'm going to start it right now. So I started sewing from the inside, and since I have the side seams open, so it's easy to kind of work on it, although it's still kind of in an angle. I didn't really want to go up, open it up more because there's a top stitch here and I would have a hard time if I come too close to it, so that's why I left it over here. And here we go, it's done. This is the inside view. I did add a bigger piece. Let's just say that the customer wants to have this look again so they can cut it through, and then it's gonna fray again once you wash it. So that's why I opted this way, because I explained it to the customer that I'm gonna add a bigger patch, but if you still want to make holes through the patch, you could still do it. So it's an option that it's still there. So that's how you do handle patches. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope this patching work helps you guys do your patches at home as well. Thanks for stopping by. Check out the rest of the videos and I will see you in the next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.